Hey everyone, today we are going to be making a first day of school board for my daughter's first day of school. So we have our wooden board, some acrylic paint, chalkboard stickers, Cricut scissors, and some chalk marker to decorate the design. So now I'm going to put the acrylic paint onto the wood. So I have two tubes here, blue and purple. They were just the closest I've seen in colors in the pack of paint that I have. And I wasn't sure that one tube will complete the whole board, so I just got the two closest colors. And as I predicted, it wasn't enough. So right now I'm going to open up the purple one and add it to the board. And they're very, very similar in color, so it doesn't even seem like they're two different colors. So we're just gonna blend all that in while we paint the wood. And we don't really have a reason to paint the wood. I just wanted it to be a nice color. So paint that all up, and now we are going to let it dry. And while the paint is drying, let's clean this little paint that we have on the table. You know, I should have put something underneath before I started painting, but that's okay. We're just going to clean up and act like nothing ever happened. Now it's time to put the stickers on. So I'm going to cut it. Actually, I'm going to get my cutter instead of scissors because I want the lines to be precise. Now we're going to stick these on now that we got the sizes done. And as we are sticking them, the lines are decreasing, so that's great. Now we're ready to decorate. So it was always first day of 3K. I'm 3 years old, and then the date. It's very simple. I added some of the cute little designs, and as you guys can see, I'm not the best artist or have the best penmanship. This is why I use my Cricut 99% of the time. But I wanted this one to be a little homey, a little more of a personal touch. So I used my own handwriting to design the board. And that on the top is supposed to be an apple. We got a smiley face, a heart, and then a yay sign, because this is very exciting. We're very happy. This is our first day ever in a school setting. So this is really, really exciting stuff. So thank you for tuning in and making the board with me. If you would like to see more of this content, please like and subscribe to support the channel. With that, until next time, peace, love, and happiness.